You're thinking about buying a home. There are a lot of people involved in the home buying process you should be familiar with. Real estate agents, lenders, inspectors, and escrow will all play a role in your home purchase. So let's talk a little about what these people do. You're going to want to find a real estate agent who is a realtor, because not all agents are. Realtors have a higher standard they are required to follow. Your realtor is going to research the right properties for you, run down appointments and showings, negotiate prices and contract terms, and take the time to answer any questions you may have. As a buyer, you'll want to have a different agent than the one who represents seller. With your own representation, you'll know your realtor is working specifically for your interests. The great part for the buyer is the seller pays the commissions for both agents. That means you as a buyer pay nothing to your agent. Next, you'll want to contact the lender. Lenders can be banks, mortgage companies, and credit unions, and your realtor can give a few recommendations if you need them. The lender is going to ask you about your employment, your assets, and your income. And once you put together an application, they will work on getting your loan approved and getting you a pre-approval letter so you can then start house hunting. Once you and your realtor have found the perfect home for you and you make an offer, it's then time for you to hire an inspector. The inspector checks the exterior and interior of the home and will provide you with a written report on the home's condition. You can then decide if you want to ask the seller to make repairs and/or reduce the listing price to make up for any issues the inspector finds. Working in the background, we have escrow and title. The title companies do research to ensure the home's ownership can be legally transferred to you, and escrow manages the closing process according to your contract. They coordinate getting your down payment money and the bank's money safely to the seller, as well as getting you the legal title to the home. So that's just a quick introduction to all of the people involved in helping you buy a home. You'll certainly want to learn more, and remember, your realtor is the first point of contact for any questions you may have.
And master your credit and start living your dreams today. Remove negative items from your credit report in 5 simple steps. No matter how much money you have in the bank, if you have bad credit, you're going nowhere fast. It's such a humiliating thing to be refused for something on the grounds of bad credit, or penalized every time you even think so much as about purchasing something. Or even worse, denied the ability to get a new credit card or loan. The system sadly doesn't care about any of us, and the sooner we accept that, the sooner we can take action and actually start to control our own lives.
And here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay, because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter, using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's a letter, and go to the post office. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing. You can't get a credit card. You can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines. You can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card. You can't buy a car. You have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage. You can't rent an apartment with bad credit. You can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. Exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw, and I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out. It's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus. In as little as 20 to 30 days, you can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself, and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.